Hey peoples, it's Eva, and if you don't know, if you saw my last episode of MoleCraft, you'll know that I had one cat. Now I've got 4. The only reason why I have 4, come on. Everyone say hi to YouTube. Hi, Mom. Hello. 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 Bye, UT. IT. Wait. Come on, cat! Get in here! Get in this house! You better get in this house! Well, I will freak out! Cat, seriously. I'm gonna freak out. Everyone's teleporting to me to be on YouTube! Hello, YouTube. Say hello to YouTube. They're just running off. Goodbye! Cat! Right, I'm gonna get my fishing rod. Where's my fishing rod? Do you know where it is, Tux? Oh, it's in here, isn't it? I got lapis, I got diamonds. Big reveal. My chest. Got 4 diamonds. I had 5. I traded 1 in for like a saddle because someone. Come in here. This is one way to get your cat in the house. You better come in here now, Missy. Good kitty. You don't you dare. I was about to say don't you dare like sit on the chest. Okay, anyway. So this is Tux. This is Cassie. This is I don't really have a name for this one, but this is Bella. Bella. Sit down. What do you do? Good. And I might name this one Aurora. I'm gonna name this doggy Aurora. Aurora. This is my dog Aurora, by the way. I just decided I would name her that. Right, I'm gonna get some rotten flesh out, and they're gonna freak. Everyone, Aurora. Oh my gosh, Aurora. You stand up. Wolf, you want one? Wolf? What's happening? It's a puppy! Oh my gosh, she's a puppy! Oh my gosh, she's a puppy! Oh, Aurora and Wolf have had a baby. It's got its head in the wall. What? Oh my gosh, look at it! Wait, what color do we want to do? I was gonna go mining, but then I just didn't. Cause what happened was I was in my a little mine shaft, because I wrote a mine shaft over there, and I found Bella. She was down there, and I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe my eyes. And I was about to die because there was zombies chasing after me. I don't know why I don't know why I'm even going under here. I don't know if that's a good idea, cause I almost died. Yeah, going down here. Woo. Ah! Also, I would probably beware if you're a headphone user. Probably. Because there might be a lot of... Ah! That! Oh! God! That scared me! I'm scared! So yeah, I was going this way. And I went down this hole. And I freaked out. And I fell into the... See, look, here's my mine shaft. I've got a mine shaft. And Bella was like somewhere over here. I was like, what are you doing, Bella? She was like, right there. No, Bella, 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 what are you doing? Bella, what is this? Dumb cat. Dumb cat. Come here, Bella. I'm getting my fishing rod. I'm fishing for a cat. Bella. So you have to sit up. Okay, I have to make her sit first. And then do this. And she'll come. Bella, you can't do that again, okay? You better not do that again, okay? Are you listening to me? That was the most dramatic thing ever. Maybe not the most dramatic thing ever. But... oh, there's a zombie right outside. Are you? Also, where's Wolf gone? Wolf! Do you wanna come fight with me? Wolf, let's go! I'm gonna put everything away though. I'm gonna get my iron sword out. Put everything else back. Anyway, if you guys don't know what's going on right now, well, like, I kind of just almost died, and I don't need that. Come on, Wolf, let's go! Come on, good boy. Come on! I don't want to leave my doors open. Fine. Teleport to me. Why do my dogs always like... oh, good. Skellies! Go kill them! Go kill the skellies! Go kill this one. Let's find a mob, and then when we hit it, he'll like attack them. Come on! Come on! Get it! Go on! What are you doing? Are you just waiting for me to get it? Hit it! Go and get it! Wolf! No! 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 I don't want to hit! I don't want to hit Wolf! Don't hit Wolf! You guys have to stay in. Ah! No! Not Spider City! I don't want to go to Spider's Ah! I don't want to hit Buddy! No, it's not Buddy! It's what's his name? It's Wolf! No! Don't kill me, please! Do anything but kill me! Oh, and don't kill my doggy either! Oh my gosh, this is like dramatic. Oh my god. Come here, lovely. Come here. Come here. Gotta get in. Come on. Guys, better get in, guys! To let your guy that almost just kind of died. He almost died. Everyone! No, I don't know how to get him in. No. Guys. Get rotten flesh. Stand everyone up. It feels like... oh wait, you guys can just sit down. Everyone! I've run out of rotten flesh. I've got to sit all you guys down. And I probably didn't tell you about this, but is that you, Peach? Cupcake, whatever your name is? No. Oh my! What are you doing, Aurora? Aurora. Stay there, Stella. Come on! Oh. Buddy, what are you doing? No, Wolf, where have you been? No. You gotta go get those skellies. I'm gonna go get my bow. I've died a few times in this. Stay up there. I'll be right back. I just need to get food. Cassie, get off the chest. Sit on that cake. You sit on that cake. I want to eat a cake. I would love to eat a cake. Right. We're gonna bake some potatoes to make one of my favorite foods. If you didn't know, baked potato. While we look, baby Wolfie. Where's my Wolfie? Where's my wolf? Where's my baby Wolfie? Cassie, what are you doing? Are you going to see Bella? Good. Wait. Oh, there's Tugs. Wait. I love how I'm like on one heart or something. You know, earlier I got a horse and it like was in the wall and I died like and then it died as well. What was I gonna do? I was gonna go get. I need potatoes. Get me baked potatoes. I've never had baked potatoes before in this game. Ooh, it gives me quite a lot of hunger. Not hunger. It gives me a lot of not hungers. Anyway, I don't know why this has animal food chest because my bed. No, not pound sign. My bed. Right. What were we gonna get again? We were gonna get food. We were gonna get food. What else were we gonna do? We were gonna get something. Right. We were gonna get a bow. I only have 2 hours though. No, I have like 13 or something. We don't have much left to use on that. So what I'm attempting to do is, where's Wolf? Where's my baby? Wolf? Oh my gosh. Thank gosh. Oh, I just killed it. Should we try and hit that instrument? Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to tell you guys a story. Before we end this episode here. Oh, I don't want to end it like. I don't want to end it now because like my dog might die. My dog might literally just die if I can't get him. Do you know what? I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep him in here so that he doesn't get hurt. Come on, come on, Wolfie. Go on, come on, come on, Wolfie, Wolf, Wolf, Wolf. Wolf. Oh my gosh. Also, it's day, so I'm just gonna keep him in there because. Why are my dogs are all like putting their heads through the doors and stuff? Oh gosh. No, you're teleporting. Why are you teleporting? Oh my gosh. Guys, gotta. No, don't. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the episode here. Anyway, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and to join the Rosie fam. Bye bye from Eva out. Bye.